Peace and blessings, everyone. I'm praying that you are doing well. Yours truly, Jimmy Williams again, coming back to you from my beautiful city of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm in the studio, but I'm not set up here, so it looks a little weird how I'm just holding my phone up here. But I wanted to bring a strong message to you today about Bytnex, formerly Cryptex. They did it again. They always deliver. They always keep their word. Guys, I have a short clip that I got from an unnamed source from a guy who's over in South Africa, and it's somebody on his team who just got this major big payout, okay? The South African man just put in his 2 weeks notice because he just cashed out at $3.5 million from his Bytnex contracts, okay? Yes, and yes. To all the fakers and the haters and all the people that want to see this fail, shame on you, shame on you. And if you've been investing in this and you put your time and your effort, it's not in vain, okay? So for wherever you are in the world, understand something. If you're part of this particular community, hold your head high, stand strong. Don't be deceived and be tricked into sitting back doing nothing when all you have to do is take a $100 activation fee and you can become a millionaire in 7 years, all right? You do that over and over again, and you can become a billionaire 100 times over if you go out and you share this with people and you just do your part, okay? This shook me up because when I saw it, when I heard it, I was blown away. I already know it. I know this is real, but sometimes you need to hear that second voice, that second opinion. I have people all the time emailing me and texting me and saying, Jimmy, are you sure this is real? Now, I have 100 contracts. I've helped several people get over 100 contracts, and I've built, and these people have built. And we see the commissions coming in, and we see people get paid, and people are still doubting. After you watch this, all your doubt's going to be gone. This South African man put in the 2 weeks notice. He's done with working for the 9 to 5 for the world, for the man, right? And you can too. Take a moment, check this out, all right? And I'll be back on another video. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.
Mary, over to you, please. Let's hear from you.
Yes, hi. Good afternoon, guys.
Good.
It's always a pleasure. Yes, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whichever part of the world you may be. I just want to let you guys know that after last week, I was already ecstatic about Cryptex, but last week, my level of confidence and faith in this overall project, guys, I have to say, went through the roof. I took an hour on, I believe it was either Wednesday evening, no, it was Thursday evening of last week, and I was on the phone with my girlfriend that has known me since childhood, since I was like about 5 or 6 years old. I brought Cryptex to her earlier on this year. When I sent the information over to her, she told me that it looked familiar. So what she did was, she went through her email and saw that a colleague of hers that she works with already had sent the information over to her in regards to Cryptex. So she got in touch with him and asked him if he was still in the project. He told her yes, he's in, and he already collected his 5 3-year contracts. Okay? Now, with that being said, that was 6 figures. He collected $180,000, right? So after that, he was still patiently waiting for his 5-year contracts of $3.7 million. Guys, I sit with you here on this call to let you know that last week, Wednesday, this young man did his withdrawal from Cryptex for $3.7 million. She confirmed that it took about 4 to 5 hours for it to hit his wallet.
Wow.
And then the very next day, he put in his 2 weeks notice from his job.
Right.
So with that being said, guys, if you're on this call and you're taking this particular opportunity that is basically pennies compared to what some of us had dished out over the years on some garbage that we have seen come and go. You would want to take a closer look at this and take it seriously. Because every day you procrastinate or you hesitate to get started is a day you're wasting towards getting closer to your contract expiring and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Okay? I also want to tell you that it's important to also sit back and analyze, ask yourself, how long would it actually take me to make $35,000 right now? How long would it take me to make $471,000 right now? Can I establish that within the next 3 to 5 years, anywhere at any job that I'm working at right now? You need to really analyze that in your mind, process that, and ask yourself, am I able to do that right now? Okay, because if you can't and you can't see yourself establishing that with the job that you're working at right now, then you need to sit back and ask yourself, is $100 too much for me to establish getting that in my financial portfolio? Is it too much? Because with $500, this white man, and I'm going to call it like it is because he's a white man already established, making 6 figures, has established becoming a millionaire within 5 years. Within 3 years, he also established pocketing from this particular opportunity 6 figures. So what are we talking about here? You know, the ball is in your court. You're getting the information today. It's for you to take the keys, put it in the car, turn it, and start driving. That's my message for you guys today. That's the testimonial that I have for you guys.
This is an amazing testimonial. This is an amazing. In fact, your presence tonight with us here has been a blessing. And we are going to take this. I'm sure everyone here, you are taking your portion. Your blessings is in your own hands. Nobody can force you.
Great information, great testimony. Thank you very much, Linda Mary, for that great testimony that you just gave us. Thank you.